Now, from your weather authority, Chief Meteorologist Wayne Hart.
Well, after enjoying a nice break from all that heat and humidity last week, it's now feeling like summer again, but the heat's going to come down here over the next several days. The humidity not so much as scattered showers and thunderstorms begin to increase across the area. But today, low 90s pretty much area-wide. We hit 91 in Evansville, Henderson, 93 in Owensboro. But with that very humid air, it felt more like right around 100 for most of the afternoon. But live, first warning Dopplers all quiet. That'll be the case until later tonight. Looks like some scattered showers and thunder showers will be developing somewhere north of the river, especially as we get closer to sunrise. And then those will be continuing in a scattered fashion throughout the day tomorrow. Should be much more coverage than what we saw today, which was very spotty and light. These shades of light blue indicating about 1/10 of an inch of rain south and west of Evansville, especially down here in Muhlenberg and southern Ohio counties. But it's been kind of dry lately. We could use some rain. We got some pretty decent chances here for the next couple of days. Our Thule Injury Loss Skycam looking down on the Evansville riverfront this evening on a very warm summer night. Temperature here at 10 o'clock. Anytime it's above 80 at 10, you know it's really warm, and it's 82 right now. And on top of that, a very humid dew point of 73 with a south wind at 7 miles per hour. Temperatures are generally upper 70s to lower 80s. They're not going to drop all that much, winding up somewhere in the mid to upper 70s. By daybreak tomorrow morning. We've got a cold front to the north. We got severe weather hanging on over here in the front range of the Rockies, where a severe thunderstorm watch has just expired. But the front that's coming in from the north has been producing a little spotty severe weather today. You can see a lot of thunderstorms here still up in northern Indiana. And this is the front that's going to be closer to us tomorrow, increasing our rain and thunder chances, along with a marginal risk for severe weather along and north of the Ohio River, which means an isolated damaging wind gust or two will be possible in this marginal risk area. Nothing all that high. I don't expect them to raise that anymore here as the front gets closer tomorrow. We'll obviously monitor that throughout the day, and Future Tracker does keep it quiet until we get around daybreak tomorrow morning. At 6 a.m., you can see the scattered showers and thunder showers breaking out just north of the river. Don't expect these to be severe, but they could bring us a little rain and thunder to start our day tomorrow. So be sure to check in with Ron on daybreak starting at 5 a.m. and he'll let you know if you have anything to deal with weather-wise of significance as you head out the door in the morning. Now, those will kind of fade away. We'll see some sun develop. It won't be as hot as today or the past 2 days, but it will still be very humid with highs in the mid to upper 80s with more scattered showers and thunderstorms developing in the afternoon. Those will gradually diminish tomorrow night, which will still be warm. Low 70s by daybreak on Wednesday, which will be a little quieter, not quite as hot, not quite as humid as the front begins to settle a little farther to the south. Looks like highs will be in the low to middle 80s on Wednesday with a little less humidity, but more scattered showers and weaker thunder showers will be developing on Wednesday, and the chances may be a little higher in our southern counties on Wednesday versus tomorrow when they may be a little bit higher to the north. Those will come to an end Wednesday night, and then the drying trend continues on Thursday as that front continues to settle to the south. We'll see a few scattered thunder showers. Better chances though in western Kentucky. A little warmer though and turning very humid again with highs on Thursday afternoon into the mid to upper 80s. So overnight, variable clouds, very warm. Scattered showers and thunder showers developing, especially north of the river towards daybreak, mid to upper 70s. And then some sun tomorrow with a few waves of scattered showers and thunderstorms moving through. Very humid, mid to upper 80s. And then the rain chances do drop to 50-50 on Wednesday. A little less heat and humidity, 85, dropping even more on Thursday. But it turns very humid, a little brighter, 85 again the high. 35% chance on Friday, still a pretty decent day here. And then over the weekend, that front begins to come back at us, and that could trigger a little better chance for showers and thunderstorms on Saturday, hopefully drying out on Sunday. But we'll make Saturday a weather-aware day because some of the models are advertising a pretty decent chance of some showers and thunderstorms. So speaking of storms, take a look at this video of a major hailstorm at a zoo in Colorado Springs today. The golf ball-sized hail damaged buildings and habitats. 14 people were injured and 2 animals were killed. 5 people taken to the hospital. Very unusual for hail to cause injuries. And this was golf ball size hail, which we occasionally get around here. But it more than likely just struck at a bad time. Folks were out and about. Outside. Animals were out. And, you know, in the past we have heard about animals getting killed by hail. But as far as people getting hurt. That doesn't happen very often.
No, it doesn't. That's kind of scary.
Bad situation there. Thank you, Wayne.